So basically we're going to have two solid sets of notes, 43 and 44, where we're practicing two facts. The arc is this same measure as the central angle, and twice the inscribed angle. So the inscribed angle is half of the central angle and half of the arc. Okay, so let's look at my measure of arc BC. I'm going to draw a little L picture O here. The important details from the original picture are that arc BC, which is this outside, is twice the inscribed angle. So it's 2 times 48, otherwise known as 96 degrees. Can you circle your answers for all of these problems? Because it's really kind of tricky to find the answers if you have a forest of pictures. Measure of angle B, let's take a look. Angle B, what arc is that? Oh, that's the 110 degrees. Fine. So the measure of angle B is half of 110 degrees. So the arc is twice the angle, the inscribed angle. So the angle is half. Okay. A CB, just a little note, 3 letters means go that direction even if it's the long way around.
Go from A through C to B.
So let's see. ACB, A to C with 110 degrees of arc, and then C to B we just found out was 96 degrees. So again, please circle your answers, thank you. Measure of arc AB. Here's where we just use we know the total is 360 on a circle. So A, C, B. What is that mark? Oops. Hold on. Let me see if I can erase the little mark. There we go. Okay. ACB has 110 and 96. AB is the rest of it. So
Two letters always means go the short way around.
we already figured out that those two were adding up to 206. So that's 154 degrees left. Okay. BOC is the central angle going through O. So this is 96 degrees of arc. And so the central angle is the definition of the arc angle is it's the same as the central angle. So okay, an AOC, same thing. We just figured out that A to C, that arc was 154 degrees.
No.
154 degrees? Yeah. Oh no, AOC. Sorry, AOC, not AOB. Hold on, let me redraw the picture. Okay, I was starting to draw AOB. Sorry. And so it's 110 degrees of arc, and that means the angle through the center is also 110 degrees. Again, please circle. Thank you. Okay, second problem. So the measure of arc EA, so what I'm going to do is say that arc EB is easy to find.
Because we got an inscribed angle.
It's twice the inscribed angle, so it's twice 51 degrees. Of course, that includes AB also. So, okay, BC. Okay, so EA plus AB plus BC is a semicircle.
Because EC is a diameter. It goes through the center.
So we've already got 30 plus 72, and then if we just take BC, that'll add up to 180. So if I take the total 102 and subtract it from 180, I get 78 degrees. Okay, measure of angle A. Again, looking at A, angle A, the other ends are at B and D. And so it's going to be half of the arc, and we can figure out the arc because we just figured out the BC was 78 degrees and CD is 112. Measure of angle A, and it's an inscribed angle, so it's half the arc. Okay, so we have 78 plus 112 over 2, otherwise known as 190 over 2, 95 degrees. Measure of ED, again, let's write in some numbers. We got 78 degrees, we got 30 degrees. Oh, ED is the rest of it. So 360 minus all of the other angles. And we get 68 degrees. Yes, your calculator has parentheses buttons. Just go ahead and type it in, just exactly like that. So angle BCD is an inscribed angle. And how much is this arc? Well, let's see. It's ED, which we just figured out was 68, and then 30 degrees to get to A, and then 72 more degrees, so half of okay. It's half because it's an inscribed angle again. Measure angle D, one more inscribed angle. Okay, so by drawing D, D goes, other ends are at A and C through B. So 72 and that was 78.